Hello friends, so today we have come with a new video. In this video we are going to see how to lock a folder in Google Drive. So let's start. First we will open Google Drive. After opening Google Drive, click on .k, folder .k, click on the three dots next to the image you want to lock. After clicking on the three dots, scroll down a bit and click on Details and Activity. After clicking on Details and Activity, Who has access? Click on it and then click on Who has access. After that, in General Access, click on Anyone with the link. After that, click on Anyone with the link again. After clicking on Anyone with the link, set it to Restricted. Then your Google Drive folder will be locked. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.